In a world where humans lived alongside magical creatures, there was a small village called Eldoria. This village was nestled between lush forests and towering mountains, home to a group of brave young guardians. These guardians were special. They possessed unique abilities and had sworn to protect their village from any harm. Among them were Lena, a spirited girl who could control fire; Kai, a calm and collected boy with the power to manipulate water; Mira, a cheerful girl who could talk to animals; Rio, a strong and courageous boy who could control the earth. One sunny day, as the village bustled with activity, Lena noticed something strange. The sky, usually bright and clear, was gradually darkening. She rushed to find her friends. "Lena, what's wrong?" Kai asked, sensing her urgency. "Look at the sky, something's not right," Lena replied, pointing upwards. The group gathered and stared at the sky. Dark clouds swirled ominously, and the wind began to howl. "We need to find out what's causing this," Mira said, her usual cheerfulness replaced by concern. The friends decided to visit the wise elder, Grandpa Hero, who lived on the outskirts of the village. Grandpa Hero was known for his vast knowledge of magic and the world beyond Eldoria. When they reached his cottage, Grandpa Hero was already waiting for them, his expression serious. "I've been expecting you. The balance of nature has been disturbed," he said. "What do you mean?" Rio asked. "Deep in the forbidden forest, an ancient dragon named Drakonis has awoken. He was sealed away centuries ago for his destructive power, but now, he's back and seeking revenge," Grandpa Hero explained. The guardians exchanged worried glances. They knew what they had to do. "We'll stop him," Lena said, determination blazing in her eyes. Grandpa Hero nodded. "Take these," he said, handing them each a small amulet. "These will amplify your powers. Be careful. Drakonis is powerful." The friends set off towards the forbidden forest, their hearts filled with a mix of fear and resolve. As they ventured deeper, the forest grew darker and more menacing. Strange noises echoed around them, but they pressed on. Suddenly, a group of shadowy creatures emerged from the darkness, blocking their path. "Stay back," Lena shouted, her hands igniting with flames. Kai stepped forward, summoning a wave of water to push the creatures back. Mira called upon the animals of the forest, and a flock of birds swooped down, driving the shadows away. Rio slammed his fists into the ground, creating a wall of earth that trapped the remaining creatures. "We make a great team," Rio said, smiling. They continued their journey until they reached a clearing. In the center stood Drakonis, a massive dragon with scales as black as night and eyes that glowed with fury. "So, the little guardians have come to play," Drakonis sneered, his voice rumbling like thunder. "We won't let you harm our village," Mira shouted, stepping forward. Drakonis roared, sending a blast of dark energy towards them. The guardians quickly activated their amulets, and a protective barrier formed around them. "Now!" Lena yelled. The friends attacked together. Lena unleashed a torrent of flames, while Kai summoned a tidal wave. Mira called upon the animals once more, and they charged at Drakonis, distracting him. Rio used his earth powers to create giant boulders, hurling them at the dragon. Drakonis fought back fiercely, but the guardians were relentless. They combined their powers, creating a whirlwind of fire, water, earth, and magic that engulfed Drakonis. With a final, deafening roar, the dragon was defeated, his dark energy dissipating into the air. "We did it!" Kai exclaimed, breathless but triumphant. As the dark clouds cleared, sunlight poured into the forest, the balance of nature was restored, and the village was safe once again. When they returned to Eldoria, the villagers cheered, grateful for their bravery. Grandpa Hero greeted them with a proud smile. "You have done well, my young guardians." The friends hugged each other, their bond stronger than ever. They knew that as long as they stood together, they could face any challenge that came their way. And so, the tale of the brave guardians of Eldoria spread far and wide, inspiring future generations to protect the balance of nature and cherish the magic within their hearts.